Hey yo, it's Skippy. I actually haven't seen many windows trimmed in tiles out there. I do it all the time for people. They love it because then you've got no water rings from cans or whatever, cans of spray or whatever sitting on the windowsill. When you've got it tiled, you still give it a little bit of slope, you know, just a little, just in case any water lands on it. Same as your niche, you know, everyone is wanting a niche. I offered to do for free a foot niche in the ensuite. A bath is going here, but in the other one a foot niche, but they didn't want it. I offered to do it for free, but it wasn't their thing, so that's all right. Just the niches were their thing, but that is a definite because you got your washing machine here, you're putting stuff up here on your windowsill as a bench. But yeah, easy. It's so easy to do, and you know, it's a no-brainer. Absolute no-brainer. Okay, well that's good. I'll be tiling that in a minute. I just wanted to have a bit of a rundown of things with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you would. Press the bell. You know, what I'm trying to get out there to people is I'm here to teach you. Anything you need to know, just ask the question and I will respond. Send us a comment. Thanks guys, we'll see ya. Bye.